Welcome to the Hilton in Austin, Texas. This is room 2542. This is on the executive floor. I'm going to walk you on in. Before I show you the room, let me just show you the layout of this building and where this floor is. You can see where the dot is where the room is. Right over here is the elevator bank, and right off the elevator bank in this blank space is the executive lounge. The executive lounge does have breakfast here and evening hors d'oeuvres. It does have an honor bar for, at this point, the wine and beer are $6 a glass. Okay, when you first walk in the door, you have a nice bathroom. The tub is a little low to get into, which makes it actually kind of nice. Shower head's awesome. So enjoy long showers. So plan for a little extra time in the morning because it's really nice. Lots of extra towels. I swear this hotel has overwhelmed me with towels in such a good way. Every time I come in, even in the evenings, there's probably an additional 2 towels sitting here. So maybe people here traditionally like to use a lot of towels when they visit Austin. Crabtree and Evelyn products. The hair dryer here that they have is a little weak. So women, if you have extra thick hair or anything, you might want to consider bringing your own hair dryer. It takes a little bit longer than usual with a normal hair dryer. Okay, they have right when you walk in, you're the door fridge, and tea and coffee service replenished every day. Single serve cups, closet, and 2 robes are supplied. I did not have to ask for them separately, which is nice. Into the room. This is a king size room. Apologize for the bed not being made. That's me just trying to make it up pretty quickly. There's one strange thing about this room. This alarm clock has never been correct. I placed a note on it the first 2 days, and now it's almost become a novelty. I asked them to see if they could update the time, as I couldn't figure out how. And they said they left a note saying they did, but then each day I've come in, it's been at a different time. So none of them being accurate. So it's honestly been kind of funny. So enough space for storage, television, ample TV channels. To choose from, a great desk area. You'll notice there are lots of plugs around here. You're not struggling as in some hotel rooms where you're on the floor or looking for weird places for plugs. Comfy places to sit. In fact, as we're talking about plugs, let me just show you, even on both sides of the bed, they have them built in. So USB and traditional US style plugs as well. The bed and linens are great, so you'll get a good night's sleep. Let me show you the view from this one. The interstate, as many city hotels will be. The interstate noises do not stop. And one thing about this hotel, when it was built, I don't think they expected lots of noises, which is unfortunate because right down here, if I can get the camera angle right, there is, I should look over here, an area right there. Right here is an area, I think it's a restaurant called the Speakeasy, and they follow city ordinance very strictly. So music will stop there promptly at 2 a.m. And I will tell you, you hear it until that point, until city ordinance kick in. So when I call down to the front desk, they are willing, if it's able, to move you to the other side of the hotel. So one thing you might run a request is maybe closer to the convention center side or looking toward the park area and not toward the interstate if you are a light sleeper. After a while it kind of became white noise, but it was still there until 2 a.m. So this is the Austin Hilton.